Being a landlord can be incredibly rewarding. It offers financial freedom, allowing you to build wealth over time through rental income and property appreciation. There's also the satisfaction of providing homes to families and individuals, creating a sense of community and stability. Additionally, it presents the opportunity to build a lasting business that can be passed down through generations, creating a legacy. However, this journey comes with its share of challenges. Managing properties, dealing with maintenance issues, and handling tenant disputes can be stressful and time-consuming. One of the most critical yet often overlooked aspects is tenant screening. This process is essential to ensure that you find reliable and responsible tenants who will take care of your property. Thoroughly vetting potential tenants is the cornerstone of a successful rental property business. It involves checking their credit history, verifying employment, and contacting previous landlords for references. Choosing the right tenants can be the difference between years of passive income and a cascade of costly problems. Good tenants pay rent on time, respect the property, and communicate effectively. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to screen tenants effectively, minimizing risks and maximizing your investment returns. We'll cover everything from initial inquiries to finalizing the lease agreement. Remember, your property is not just bricks and mortar, it's a significant investment. Protecting that investment starts with placing the right tenants who will treat it with care and respect. Protecting that investment starts with placing the right tenants. A thorough screening process helps you avoid potential issues such as late payments, property damage, and legal disputes. By understanding and implementing a robust tenant screening process, you're setting yourself up for success as a landlord. This involves not only checking financial stability, but also assessing the tenant's character and reliability. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into each step of this crucial process. From advertising your property and conducting interviews to performing background checks and signing the lease, we'll guide you through it all. Stay tuned as we explore the best practices and strategies to ensure you find the perfect tenants for your rental property. Your journey to becoming a successful landlord starts here.
It might be tempting to bypass the rigorous process of tenant screening, especially when facing vacancy pressures. The urgency to fill a vacant property can sometimes cloud judgment, leading landlords to make hasty decisions. This is particularly true in competitive rental markets where every day a property remains vacant translates to lost income. However, failing to properly vet tenants can lead to a myriad of problems, costing you significant time, money, and peace of mind. The initial time saved by skipping thorough screening can quickly be overshadowed by the long-term consequences. A comprehensive screening process, though time-consuming, is an investment in the future stability of your rental income. One of the most significant risks is renting to tenants who default on rent payments. When tenants fail to pay rent on time, it disrupts your cash flow and can create financial strain. This issue is compounded if you have mortgage payments or other financial obligations tied to the rental income. This can lead to a loss of rental income, forcing you to dip into your reserves or even face foreclosure. The financial instability caused by non-paying tenants can have a ripple effect, impacting your ability to maintain the property and meet other financial commitments. Eviction, while sometimes necessary, is a costly and time-consuming process. Legal fees, court costs, and the time spent in court can add up quickly. Additionally, the eviction process can be emotionally draining, adding stress to an already difficult situation. Beyond financial risks, problematic tenants can cause property damage exceeding normal wear and tear. This damage can range from minor repairs to significant structural issues, all of which require time and money to fix. Repairing this damage eats into your profits and diminishes your property's value. The cost of repairs can quickly escalate, especially if the damage is extensive or requires professional contractors to address. Moreover, disruptive tenants can lead to complaints from neighbors, creating tension and legal issues. Noise complaints, illegal activities, and other disruptive behaviors can strain relationships with neighbors and potentially involve law enforcement. Thorough tenant screening acts as a safeguard against these potential nightmares. By checking references, verifying employment, and conducting background checks, you can identify red flags early and make informed decisions about who to rent to. It helps you identify responsible, reliable tenants who will treat your property with respect and fulfill their lease obligations. In the long run, this leads to a more stable rental income, fewer headaches, and a better overall experience as a landlord. Investing time in tenant screening is a proactive step that pays off by ensuring your property is in good hands.
A well-designed rental application is your first line of defense in the tenant screening process. It serves as a crucial tool to help you gather all the necessary information about potential renters, ensuring you can make the best possible decision for your property. It provides a standardized way to gather essential information about potential renters, enabling you to make informed decisions. This standardized approach helps in comparing different applicants on an equal footing, making the selection process fair and efficient. Begin by requesting basic information: the applicant's full name, contact details, current address, and the names and ages of any additional occupants. This foundational information is critical as it sets the stage for further inquiries and verifications. Next, delve into their rental history. Understanding an applicant's rental history can provide valuable insights into their behavior as a tenant. Ask about their previous addresses, landlord's contact information, reasons for moving, and any history of evictions. This information can help you identify any red flags or patterns that might indicate potential issues. Employment and income verification are crucial. Knowing that a tenant has a stable job and sufficient income is key to ensuring they can meet their rental obligations. Request their current employer's name and contact information, job title, and length of employment. This helps verify the stability and reliability of their income source. You'll also need to request their gross monthly income to assess their ability to afford the rent. Typically, a tenant's income should be at least 3 times the monthly rent to ensure they can comfortably manage their financial responsibilities. Finally, include a clause requiring applicants to authorize a background and credit check. This step is vital for uncovering any potential issues that might not be evident from the application alone. This clause is essential for conducting a comprehensive tenant screening. A background check can reveal criminal history, while a credit check provides insight into the applicant's financial responsibility and creditworthiness. By carefully crafting your rental application, you'll gather the necessary information to make informed decisions about potential tenants. This thorough approach not only protects your investment but also helps in building a positive landlord-tenant relationship from the very beginning. Background checks, unveiling the truth. Once you have a completed rental application, the next crucial step is conducting thorough background checks. These checks provide valuable insights into a potential tenant's past behavior, helping you identify any red flags. Credit checks are an indispensable part of tenant screening. They offer a glimpse into an applicant's financial responsibility, revealing their track record with credit and debt. Look for red flags such as late payments, collections, or a high debt-to-income ratio. Criminal background checks are equally vital, providing information about an applicant's criminal history. This helps ensure the safety and security of your property and other tenants. Search for any history of violent crimes, property damage, or drug-related offenses. While background checks are invaluable, it's crucial to interpret the results fairly and within the law. Remember that everyone has a past, and minor infractions shouldn't necessarily disqualify an otherwise qualified applicant.
Employment and rental history digging deeper. Verifying an applicant's employment and rental history is essential to confirm the accuracy of the information provided in their application. This step helps you build a clearer picture of their financial stability and reliability. Start by contacting their current and previous employers. Verify their job title, length of employment, and salary. Speaking directly with the employer can also provide insights into the applicant's work ethic and reliability. Reach out to previous landlords for a comprehensive view of their rental history. Inquire about their payment history, adherence to lease terms, and any history of complaints or property damage. Don't hesitate to ask open-ended questions to gain a better understanding of the applicant's rental behavior. For example, ask about their reason for leaving their previous residence or if they had any issues with neighbors. Remember, gathering as much information as possible will help you make an informed decision. Interviewing tenants. Finding the perfect fit. The tenant interview is a valuable opportunity to connect with potential renters on a personal level. It goes beyond the information on paper, allowing you to assess their personality, communication style, and overall compatibility with your property. Approach the interview with a prepared list of questions. Inquire about their reasons for moving, lifestyle preferences, and expectations regarding communication and maintenance. Pay attention to their demeanor, body language, and how they answer your questions. Encourage open dialogue by allowing applicants to ask questions about the property, the lease terms, and the neighborhood. This demonstrates your transparency and willingness to build a positive landlord-tenant relationship. Remember, the interview is a two-way street. It's about finding the right fit for both parties.